Loving you, I am calm like a still blue sea. A lighthouse glowing keeps guiding me. Your touch whispers secrets only hearts can hear. With your love around, I've got nothing to fear. Eyes like sky pulling storms into peace. Every glance brings my restless to release. Roots of my soul dig deep in your ground. In the silence, your heart beats the sweetest sound. When I'm with you, the world is still. No chasing clocks, no bending will. You anchor me where dreams are true. Loving you, I am calm through and through. Words collapse, but your warmth fills the void.